actually a little bit different for the journey to be doing this. We're going to be bringing you guys along with us for Tesla Takeover. Tesla Takeover. There we go. So as you can kind of see us right now, there's some Teslas behind here that have already rolled in, getting ready for tomorrow.
We're at the Madonna Inn, and it's really cool. It's a lot of like country, right?
Yeah, a lot of country. It's really cool. It's really nice. San Luis Obispo, very beautiful area. So we're excited to see what it looks like tomorrow, and we're gonna just continue to set up the Adro booth, and really excited to see some Tesla builds. And yeah.
And it's windy.
It is windy.
So we're trying to figure out how to position things to not fly away.
Fighting the wind.
Fighting the wind.
So we'll see how it goes, and we'll bring you guys along for the journey. Oh yeah. Hoodie.
Alright guys, so we didn't take much footage during the event because Henry and I were busy working the event. But we just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching today's video. This is kind of the end. Everybody is going home now, packing up. It's already 4 o'clock, but it was a busy day. There was a lot of you know, people who came out to look at the Teslas, to join the scavenger hunt that Adro had. We thank Adro so much for letting Henry and I be a part of this event and just being able to be volunteers to help out. It was really fun. It was a busy but exciting day for everybody, so we hope you guys enjoyed the little footage that we were able to take. And yeah guys, we will see you on the next one. Bye.